Hey guys, welcome on the Route 66 restoration. Working on the 96 Ford a little bit here. The ignition switch went bad, and so I've removed these three screws. And I've drilled. The lock would not let the key go in, and so I've drilled the ignition switch out. I started with like a 1/4-inch bit. Cobalt bits will work the best for this because they'll drill hardened stuff. So if you have cobalt bits, those work the best. So anyways, I started and worked my way up to 1/2 inch. Got that part way in there, and then when I pulled this down, you have to have it in the run position. You have to be able to turn it, so that's why I had to drill it. It would not allow me to put the old key back in it. And so I don't know what, if the tumblers scrambled or what, it wouldn't let me put the key back in. So anyhow, just trying to put the ignition switch. You push this little tiny button under here. There's I'm trying to find it right here where my thumb is. You have to push that up. But you have to have the key in the run position. So you make sure that you got it in the run position, not all the way forward, the start position, and not in the accessory. It has to be in the run. So you have to kind of feel it. Once you drill it, it doesn't quite feel right? So anyways, but I pushed it, and this comes right out. Yeah, I'd pry on a little bit, but anyhow, that's how I did it. And let's see, I have a new switch here. And let's see if we can get this in there. This is so as you can see, I was wrestling a few minutes ago. Was trying to get it back in, and it didn't want to go. So here it is. There was a plastic guard over top of it. So this is the tumbler. So the guard wasn't letting it go in. So as I got it in the run position, so you have to put it in the run position, right? And then it should slide right in. So as you can see, guys, she goes in a specific way. It has to go in this way. Okay, guys, it has to go in a special way, a specific direction. It's keyed. It's got notches. You can see the notches in there. It has to go in a specific, like that. Okay, and it should be in the run position, so it should be just a matter of sliding this in. Well, guys, she's installed. I actually had to move the gear shift lever back and then wiggled it around, and it just went right back in. I actually moved the gear lever out of park, so make sure you don't do that. But anyhow, that's how I did it. Talk to you later.